3351. Hi, in this video, we're going to change how to set the alarm sound on the Samsung Galaxy S8. First, tap on the home screen, then tap on apps, and then tap on clock. Then also to hit the alarm sound, and also we're doing the alarm sound, of course, because it's pretty cool. Hit the alarm sound, and then it shows the alarm. It says Morning Glory, and also it's pretty cool. So, sunset. And it's pretty cool here, so let's tap on the back key. And then we're going to set the alarm. And also, we're set to 2:53. Then tap on save. And it'll be 1 minute from now. And then we wait for the alarm. And also, that is a pretty cool alarm. It's pretty cool. And also, sending on to 22:53 in process. So I've set to 11:53. So as you can see, it's 23:53. And that's it. I can change the alarm sound on the Samsung Galaxy S8. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share for my videos.